Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about just the opposite of prepping for something, but by keeping something out of your preps. What I want to talk to you about is something that some people, oh yeah, I'm going to put this in my preps and I'll keep my house smelling nice and clean. Well, the problem is, what they want to prep is actually poisoning them. I'm talking about air fresheners. You go on, you start spraying all the stuff in the air, and oh, it absorbs all the odors, it floats through the air, yeah, and then you're breathing it. We have the ones that you plug in, they put off this scented oil stuff, which is putting out vapors and stuff that you are breathing in. And some of these vapors and stuff that are out there, in fact, most of them are not healthy for you. So today's prep is don't prep air fresheners. All right. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish like getting air fresheners. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicines, clothing. Learn a new skill. Plant an indoor garden so you can grow more food.